Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another Cash App free money hack video. Okay, so I'm enjoying doing these. We get to see some crazy stuff. We check out a Cash App hack, we break it down, we see if it's legit, we see if it's fake, we see if it's a scam. I've been using Cash App for years, so it's pretty easy for me to tell. Also have hundreds of Cash App videos on my channel, tutorials and experiments if you guys want to check those out. But let's go ahead. We're gonna check out this one today. Let's click on this. So we've got this video, about 7,500 views, 73 thumbs up, 15 thumbs downs. How to make money in 2020 TJX6 Cash App method. Easy money scam. So let's check this thing out, see what it's all about. So he's just on Cash App, kind of looking at stuff. Someone sent him $25. Now he's sending someone $25. Now he's sending or requesting $25.58. He paid $25.58. I think he's just typing in random numbers, to be honest. Now we paid $25.14. Now we paid $25.78. This is the dumbest thing I've ever seen. This is even dumber than the last one. Nothing's gonna happen, I know it. He's just making a video. I don't know. Alright, now he's sending 75. Does anything happen though, man? Nothing happened. Dude, how do they get away with these titles and like YouTube not cucking their videos? I don't understand it. How is there 73 thumbs ups? He's got the bots on his channel too. You can't stop the bots, guys. I have every filter set. There's no real comments. Dude, I don't know. It's obviously not something that'll make you money in 2020. What a stupid video. I feel like I just wasted my time and your guys' time. But I guess if you want to learn Cash App, how to start investing with Cash App, that's how you're going to make money. That's how rich people get rich and richer. They invest their money. So Cash App is one of the best places to start learning. You can invest in Bitcoin or stocks with as little as $1. So anybody can start to learn to invest there. You know, I'm pretty sure everybody has $1. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay. Don't blame your problems on the past. Go hard. You might win.